Good day, and welcome to the Government House Weekly Press Briefing and COVID-19 update for the week of July 11th, 2022. For the benefit of the radio listening audience, I am Government House Communications Director Richard Mota. Dr. Esther Ellis is joining me on behalf of Health Commissioner Justa Encarnacion this afternoon for the latest COVID-19 data and information on where Virgin Islands residents can get a COVID-19 test, vaccine, and booster shot this week. So without further delay, I will turn over the briefing to Dr. Ellis. Dr. Ellis?
Good afternoon, Virgin Islanders. Thank you, Director Mota, for the opportunity, as always, to join you and provide a COVID-19 update from the Department of Health. Our latest COVID-19 numbers show we have 178 active COVID-19 cases territory-wide, and our positivity rate is 10.5%. There are 98 active cases on St. Croix, 68 on St. Thomas, and 12 on St. John. We have 6 COVID-19 positive patients hospitalized, 4 are at 1F Louis, and 2 are at RLS on St. Thomas. One of those patients is vented. Our sincere condolences go to the family and friends for our most recent COVID-19 related fatality. The deceased is a 94-year-old woman on St. Croix. Again, this is a harsh reminder that COVID-19 continues to be a threat to the public's health. Our COVID-19 vaccine schedule changed throughout the territory on Friday, July 1st, 2022, and all vaccinations will take place as a regular part of the Department of Health's clinic schedule. Appointment services for vaccines operated by Vitima have been discontinued. The phone line 340-777-8227 and the web address for appointments for vaccines are no longer in operation. The Department of Health has incorporated all COVID-19 vaccines into the regular public health clinic operations. For the public's convenience, the dates and times for vaccinations are for adults 18 and older on St. Croix. The Community Health Clinic operates in Modular 1 adjacent to the Charles Harwood Memorial Complex, providing vaccines and boosters on Mondays and Wednesdays between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. to all adults 18 and up. Please call 340-718-1311, extension 3895 or 3822 for information or to make an appointment. On St. Thomas, the Community Health Clinic is on the second floor of the Schneider Regional Medical Center and provides vaccines and boosters Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to noon, and 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., ages 18 and up. Please call 340-774-7447 for information or to make an appointment. On St. John, all vaccines and boosters for all age groups, adult, pediatric, and infant, are available only by appointment at the Morris F. DeCastro Clinic. Please telephone 340-776-6400 for an appointment. Vaccines for children on St. Croix and St. Thomas will be provided at MCH, or the Maternal and Child Health Clinic, pediatric, which is age 5 to 17, and infant, which is age 6 months to 4 years of age. Those on St. Thomas will be on Tuesdays and Fridays at MCH from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please call for an appointment, 340-777-8804, extension 2600. Walk-ins are always welcome. On St. Croix, operating under a tent adjacent to the Charles Harwood Memorial site, Fridays only, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please telephone 340-244-0016 for information or appointments. Again, on St. John, all vaccines and boosters for all age groups are by appointment only at the Morris F. DeCastro Clinic. Please telephone 340-776-6400 for an appointment. For COVID-19 testing, the schedule is as follows. On St. Croix, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the Charles Harwood Memorial parking lot. On St. Thomas, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. at the Schneider Regional Medical Center loading dock. On St. John, Wednesday from 12 noon to 3 p.m. The Charles Harwood Modulars temporary parking lot open for parking today. All employees and persons doing business with the Department of Health at this location are required to use the newly constructed parking facility. Parking directly in front of the modular building is for reserved parking and drop-off/pickup for drop-off and pickup purposes only. The construction of the temporary parking lot and the accompanying procedures outlined are in place to ensure a safe environment for all. And finally, the Department of Health invites everyone to join in the on-site celebration of Charles Harwood Memorial Complex being held on Saturday, July 30th between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. We are planning a wonderful ceremony to honor and commemorate the 70-year-old structure and also provide an exciting glimpse into our future plans for the site. Everyone is invited to attend. Now, shifting to behavioral health, beginning July 16, 2022, 988 will be the new 3-digit dialing code, connecting people to the existing National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, where compassionate, accessible care and support is available for anyone experiencing mental health-related distress, whether this is thoughts of suicide, mental health, or substance use crisis, or any other kinds of emotional distress. People can dial 988 if they are worried about a loved one who may need crisis support. Veterans, service members, and their families will be able to call 988 and press option 1, the same as they are able to do by calling 1-800-273-8255. Spanish-speaking individuals will be able to call 988 and press option 2. Moving to 988 does not mean the 1-800-273-8255 number goes away. After July 16, 2022, using either number will get people the same services. Thank you again for the time to share this information with the public. Now back to you, Director Mota.
Thank you, Dr. Ellis. Continuing on the healthcare front, the governor's Our Best Life Health and Wellness Initiative will launch its first territory-wide event called Walkout Wednesday on July 20th. The goal of the initiative is to improve the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of all Virgin Islanders through a series of events, activities, and services. The Department of Sports, Parks, and Recreation will be leading this first event, with more similar activities to come in the next few weeks. This walking fitness challenge is open to everyone and all ages and hopes to motivate a routine that allows for a healthier and more active lifestyle, because we know how important that is in terms of preventative health. The event requires only 1 day, 2 miles for 6 weeks. So again, I say this activity requires, or the event requires you to complete it for 1 day, 2 miles for 6 weeks. Participants will receive an official Our Best Life team t-shirt, wristband, and towel. Walkers in St. Croix who wish to participate will meet at Midre Cummings Park at 5:30 p.m., again on July 20th, and walk to the Frederickstead Pool, which is about 2 miles one way and 2 miles back. And so that'll be a total of a 4-mile walk. That is a pretty nice walk. Walkers in St. Thomas will start from Griffith Park and go to Yacht Haven Grand, which is about 1.4, just short of 1.5 miles. And so that would be a total of 3 miles for those who wish to participate in St. Thomas. On St. John, the walk will begin at the Virgin Islands National Park ballpark to Keneal Bay Hotel and back. That walk is also about 3 miles in total. And so if you're interested in that, you can call the Department of Sports, Parks, and Recreation, or you can dial 340-727-3264 for more information on that. Again, that number is 340-727-3264. The Virgin Islands Diabetes Center of Excellence is hosting a free diabetes health fair for residents in the territory. The health fair is scheduled to launch on July 30th, 2022, and will include free on-site diabetes screening, eye exams, foot and chiropractic care, and will feature an on-site endocrinologist. VI, the Virgin Islands Diabetes Center of Excellence, will also provide group medication management and nutrition counseling, along with free exercise and group fitness classes taught by local fitness and exercise physiologists. We hope to enroll patients at the fair and will begin seeing our first round of patients for medical services in the month of August, and that is coming from the Virgin Islands Diabetes Center of Excellence, located over in La Grande Princesse. For more information on the Diabetes Fair, contact the Virgin Islands Diabetes Center of Excellence at 340-208-0206. Again, that number is 340-208-0206, or you can visit their website at vidcoe.org. That website again is vidcoe.org. In other news, the Department of Human Services has announced the availability of pandemic emergency assistance for Virgin Islands families currently receiving the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, or TANF. The funding, which was authorized under the American Rescue Plan through the Administration of Children and Families, was created by the Biden administration to provide funding to states and territories to assist needy families impacted by COVID-19, and will be issued to TANF recipients in the territory between July and September, according to the Department of Human Services. Virgin Islands family households with a combined maximum income of $50,000, which contain a minor less than 18 years of age, are eligible to receive the Pandemic Emergency Assistance Funds upon application approval. Benefit levels will be determined by the Territorial Pandemic Emergency Assistance Funds Review Committee on a weekly basis. Benefits will be dispersed via paper checks and issued in person to the applicant after identification and signature verification. And so if you have any questions on this program or need any clarification, you can contact the Territorial Pandemic Emergency Assistance Fund hotline at 340-772-7120. Again, that hotline number is 340-772-7120. Remember that the deadline to apply for the GVI Fellows Program is approaching, and that deadline is Friday, July 15th. The GVI Fellows Program is a 2-year paid internship where Virgin Islanders with a bachelor's degree or higher in project management, economics, business administration, construction management, accounting, engineering, finance, and more can work for 2 years on 6-month rotations within the government of the Virgin Islands' financial and project management agencies, including the Office of Management and Budget, the Department of Finance, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and the Office of Disaster Recovery. For more information on the GVI Fellows Program, you can visit the Department of Personnel's website at dopusvi.org. Again, that website is dopusvi.org. In closing this afternoon, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the USVI Women's Under-21 National Volleyball Team on behalf of Governor Bryan, Lieutenant Governor Roach, and a proud Virgin Islands community for winning the Caribbean Zonal Volleyball Association's Women Under-21 Championship this past week in Trinidad. Our athletes continue to excel as they represent us across the Caribbean and across the nation and worldwide, quite frankly. I want the entire Virgin Islands community to join the administration in celebrating their achievement and offer a special congratulations to Anna Gillens of the U.S. Virgin Islands, who was named as the most valuable player in the tournament. We also want to congratulate Ayana Farrow, who was named best setter in the tournament. The USVI Women's Under-19 national team is also still in the hunt for a gold medal as well, and so we wish them all the best as they compete in the Women's Under-19 Championship game this evening. Finally, I also want to recognize the USVI's men Under-21 and Under-19 teams who competed in the tournament and represented the territory in Trinidad as well. We are all proud of you. Keep up the great work. Before I leave this afternoon, I want to remind the community that the Department of Public Works Commissioner Derek Gabriel, the one and only, the master of road paving, will be our next guest on Inside the Cabinet tomorrow, July 12th at 6 p.m. Inside the Cabinet is a weekly virtual town hall featuring members of the governor's cabinet, where residents of the community can tune in and ask questions via Facebook Live right here on our Facebook page. You can also submit questions in advance to our email address, which is governmenthouse@go.vi.gov. That email address again is governmenthouse@go.vi.gov, and those questions will be addressed during the live broadcast. You can also view Inside the Cabinet on the Government Access Channel, which is Channel 27, if you have VIA. Also this week, another episode of The Press Box will air live on Thursday night at 5:30 p.m. on the Government House Facebook page, right here, where you're tuning into this briefing. Also on the Government Access Channel, which is Channel 27, as I just mentioned. VITEMA Director Daryl Joshin, Human Services Commissioner Kimberly Kazi Gomez, and Executive Directors of the American Red Cross and Love City Strong on St. John will talk about hurricane preparedness and their coordinated efforts within their respective organizations and agencies as we move further into the storm seasons. So tune into that. I'm sure there will be a trove of very valuable information to help you and your families prepare for the height of hurricane season. I will take any questions from the media now, if there are any, and I see that we have someone joining us virtually, Suzanne Ellis from the Virgin Islands Source. Suzanne, go ahead.
Hi, good afternoon, Richard. The only question I have, I missed Dr. Ellis talking about the temporary parking. Is that on St. Croix or St. Thomas?
Hi, the temporary parking is fully open, and everyone's instructed to use the temporary parking and not the roadside parking, whether you work at the facility or you're visiting for services. The roadside parking is for drop-off and pickup or loading only.
And is this on St. Croix?
Yes.
At the health, okay. All right, that's all I had. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Suzanne. Do we have anyone else joining us virtually? I do not see anyone. All right, well, that concludes our briefing this week. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you all next Monday, July 18th, for next week's briefing. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.